the return. So too. In addition to the cars, I love to do just random pieces like this. So I will be running this out to the fire station up the road, just as a little tribute piece for them. Those guys are heroes, and they help us every day. Whether we really like them or not, people call 911, these guys show up, no matter what. It's pretty fucking awesome. So I like to do little stuff like this when I can, and just give back and show my support to them. All right. So what I think I'm gonna do is go run this down to the fire station. I have to glue up some wall spacers real quick. This should work. Whoa. Now we're gonna, if I can get this camera locked in here, we'll be headed back to the shop, cut those seat brackets for Alec, and we'll be just ready for production tomorrow. Dude, it's just not working out well. What are we thinking? Some sets of pull-ups, ab raises. Oh man. Mounted this the other week. Not too bad. Drill into the rack a little bit. Took a couple hours, but no more than 2.
Tag it.
Eight, come on. 10. Golly. That's literally 20 pull-ups, people. Literally 20. Frickin' hell. So weak. Look at this. Skinny. Calibrating for material thickness. Fire in the hole. It's just a tip touch.
Tag it.
No, I think we might be on the money. We'll be back for you. All right, all done. Huh, it's fire. Okay, we're gonna go give them to them and see if it fits. Until next time, we're signing off. Deuces.
Tag it.